This is a tour of Precious.
Yes, and this is the seat that connects to the dinghy. You can sit on it. Very nice. Then you have the seat over here that you can sit on. And then you can switch this over and have the seat over here that you can sit on. You see, it is very nice. And you have your table. Then you have more seating. And then you can walk down and have your fishing right here. And then come up here and then you can see down into one of the rooms right here. I know, very fancy. And there's the home station. You can like vroom, vroom, vroom on this ginormous wheel. And then you have another bedroom and a storage place. Then you have this ginormous trampoline that is not used to be a trampoline. And you can just lay on it and lay on it and have the water splash up onto you. Except that it's really calm right here. Okay. And then you have people that look out and see if there's any coral that you're gonna ram. And then you have another one like that. And then you have a bedroom. Woo! The anchor. Yes. And then you have storage, bathroom, bedroom. Then up here you have the part with the solar and the sail right here. And then going to the main place. Okay, and then you have the kitchen. And then over here you can see stuff. I think this is also electrical. You have a fridge and freezer. Then you have your trash can. Then you have whatever this is. Escape. It's an escape
Couch.
escape hatch. Okay. You have drawers, stove, all that stuff. This, right, and that. Microwave, your toaster, that, whatever that is, and whatever that is. Come down here, and you find a bedroom, and a bathroom, and some water bottles. Then come over here. Bedroom, bathroom, stuff back here. You have these. This thing doesn't open very easily.
It doesn't open anything.
Over here, got this bulge pump handle.
Bilge pump.
Yes, and then you have a meshes room. Then behind that, you have somebody's room. Then you have my parents' room and their bathroom. And actually also has a bathroom and some stuff over there. Oh, and then we have the fire hydrant. Dun, dun, dun.
Is it dinner time?
No, I'm the captain of this ship. And I am captain, that's why I have this. I repeat, this is Connor. This is Connor. I repeat. Connor repeats. Connor repeats his message. Connor. This is Connor. I repeat. Connor repeats his message. See? I'm the captain. This is a compass.
Oh, yes.
I found it by taking this off. These are both the engine, like how you control the engines and stuff. And it shows you how hot it is. And then it shows you when it's on fire, too. And it shows you when it's almost out of gas. It shows you when it's above water. And then this shows you that it's just normal. These are like how you control how fast it goes and how much gas it uses and stuff. And then this is something. And then these I know what these are. These are the lights to the cockpit and the table. That is me, the genius. I'm the captain of this ship at a very young age.